How to recover lost hunting sniper progress. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Are you playing hunting sniper and your game progress has suddenly disappeared? Don't worry. Firstly, go ahead and open up your hunting sniper app on your device and check if you're currently signed into the same account you used before. Open up the menu button at the top right corner and click Settings. Inside Settings, go ahead and check the available login options such as Facebook or another supported account. If you're signed into the wrong account, go ahead and disconnect from it first and log in using the same account that was previously connected to your hunting sniper progress. Click on Recover Existing Account button and choose whether you'd like to recover with Facebook or Google Play. Choose any one option that you've previously used and then follow through the instructions. Enter your credentials for the login option that you've provided, and then you'll be able to see your account. Click on Recover and click Yes in order to restore your progress. If your progress was never linked to an account, recovery may be more difficult. Avoid clearing the game's data or uninstalling the game while you are trying to recover your progress. So that's it. Reconnecting your original account brings your hunting sniper progress back. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.